Stand straight for Tadasana. Take your arms forward and go up. While going up, come on your toes and maintain your balance. Look towards your hands and try to make an arch. Now slowly come down and stand straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Now Vrikshasana. Take your right leg to your left groin and take your arms sideways and go up and make a Namaskar position. And slowly open your arms sideways, turn your palm towards ground and legs down, stand straight. Now we are doing from the other side. Pick your leg and take your arms sideways, go up and make a Namaskar position and hold this position. Concentrate on your breathing. Now open your arms sideways, turn your palm towards ground, hands down and stand straight. Breathe in, breathe out. For Garudasana, take your left leg around your right leg and right hand around your left hand. Make a Namaskar position, try to make that and hold this posture and focus on your breathing. Now slowly open your arms and stand straight. Now right leg around your left leg and left hand around your right hand and make that posture. Concentrate on your breathing. Slowly come out from this asana and stand straight. Now next asana is Trikonasana. Stand straight. Take your left leg pointed towards left. Take a good stride and flex your arms sideways parallel to your legs and bend towards your left leg and try to put your palm on the floor. If you are not able to do that, then hold your ankle. That is also fine and look towards your right hand. Maintain that posture and slowly come up, hands down and legs together. Now we do the same asana from right hand side. Take your right leg pointed towards right, take a good stride and flex your arm sideways. Now try to bend towards right leg, or if you are not able to reach to the floor, then you can hold your ankle and look up towards your left hand. Maintain this posture. And now slowly come back and hands down and stand straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we have Veerbhadrasana A. Take your left leg pointed towards left. Take a good stride. Turn your upper body towards left. Flex your arms sideways and make a Namaskar position over your head and transfer body weight on the left leg and hold this posture and concentrate on your breathing. And now slowly come out from this asana. Flex your arms sideways, hands down and stand straight. Now same asana we are doing from right hand side. Take your right leg pointed towards right. Take your good stride and turn your upper body towards right. Flex your arms sideways, go up and make a Namaskar position. Transfer body weight on the right leg and look up and hold this posture and concentrate on your breathing. Now slowly come out from this asana, hands sideways, come down and legs together. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Next asana is Veerbhadrasana B. Take your left leg pointed towards left, flex your arms sideways parallel to your legs and transfer your body weight on the left leg and hold this posture. And come back. Transfer body weight on the center and hands down, stand straight. Same asana from other side. Take a right leg pointed towards right and flex your arms sideways and look towards your right hand and transfer body weight on your right leg and hold this posture and concentrate on your breathing. Now slowly transfer your body weight in the center, hands down and stand straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we have Veerbhadrasana C. Take your left leg front and put your body weight on the front leg, your left leg, and make a Namaskar position over you at front of your head and maintain this posture. You can do this asana with your right leg also. Open your arms and stand straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we have sitting asana Padmasana. Take your right leg on your left thigh and left leg on your right thigh and make a Dhyan Mudrika and place it on your knees and close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Now you slowly open your eyes and come out from this asana and sit down in long sitting position. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now next asana is Vajrasana. Take your left leg back, right leg back and sit between your legs. Your hip should be between your legs. Knees together, toes apart and sit down in between your legs. And now slowly open your eyes and come out from this asana and sit down in long sitting position. This is called Sukha Asana. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now Gomukh Asana. Take your right leg under your left leg and fix it near your left hip and take your left leg over to your right leg and fix it near to your right hip and take your left hand from up and right from down and try to lock and hold this position and concentrate on your breathing. Now from other side, take your left leg under and right leg from over, fix it near to opposite hips and take your right hand from up and left hand from down. Try to make connection with your hands behind your back and slowly come out from this asana and sit down in long sitting position and breathe in, breathe out. Now we have Nauka Asana A. For this, we have to lie down on our back and raise our legs 45-degree angle and your hands towards your ankle, and hold this position and focus on your breathing. Slowly come back and lie down and breathe in, breathe out. And now we are doing Nauka Asana B. Lie down on your stomach and raise your legs and hands together and hold. And slowly come down, hands on the side, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Now we have Bhujangasana. Place your hands near to your shoulder, next to your shoulder, and raise your upper body with the help of your hands and look up and hold this position and concentrate on your breathing or on your back. Slowly come down, hands on this side. Now we have Shavasana. After all the asanas, we must do Shavasana. In this, you have to leave your body relax. Relax your legs, thighs, stomach, chest, shoulder, arms, fingers. Close your eyes and just concentrate on your breathing. And don't think anything and just relax yourself. Relax each part of your body without thinking anything. And when you're coming out from this asana, then you shake your body, move your fingers and turn to your right and sit down in long sitting position. This is a Sukhasana, and just relax.